Hi and welcome back to Mike Makes It. Today we're having a very quick look at micro SD cards. I'm doing a few more Raspberry Pi projects and you need one of these cards for the Pis I'm working on. Now I'm having a problem with keeping an eye on these, I lose them. So basically I've come up with a little storage suggestion. Most cards, certainly the Sandisk, which I largely use, come with an adapter so it can go in the traditional laptop. It basically converts this down to this size format so it can plug in a laptop, like I say. Now, instead of keep losing these little things, well, I thought perhaps we can use the adapter as a storage medium. So there you go. You know, you're finished with that card, you can put it in there. I've done a little label to go on the adapters. So you'll end up with a number of these, but at least you can write on the card. As long as you put it back into the same adapter you took it out from, you're laughing. And one other thing, Raspberry Pi also, there's an ex-Raspberry Pi heatsink. Well, why not use it as a little toaster rack to put all your micro SD storage in? Just like that. Put a couple of rubber feet on the bottom, 4 rubber feet so it won't slide around. All Pi relevant, so there you go, cheap do. I have learned, of course, after I've come up with this, you can buy devices like this which can put your cards in, and that's exactly what it's made for. Just slide your card in there. This is a 10 slot one. You can get 2, 4, 8, etc. And you keep that in your wallet. You've got a little bit of space to write on the back. Trouble is, when you've written on here once, that's it, show's over. You're not going to do it again unless you do it in pencil. Then you need a rubber to erase it, etc. At least for these, you've got a little bit extra space to do your scribblings on, and you can peel the label off, put a new one on if you wish. But yeah, that's all I have for you today. A cheap storage solution for micro SD cards. Stop them dropping on the floor. Anyhow, thanks for watching.